So guys, today I am going to harvest one of the battle gourd for cooking. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 5 big battle gourd, but this one has a little bit deformation. That's why I decided to harvest it. So guys, 1, 2, 3. Oh, here it is. So guys, here it is. Most countries doesn't know how to cook this, or they maybe just think that this is just a display or a bird's nest or something like that. But guys, this is edible, and I'm going to show you how to cook it the way I know. So guys, we are here in my Barbie kitchen. Here's now the young battle gourd, and what I'm going to do is cut this battle gourd into pieces. It means I'm going to cut the neck part like that and cut it maybe in quarter like this. You know guys, this battle gourd only edible when it's still soft, when the skin is still soft like this, like that. Where if your finger nails get through it, it means it's still edible. So I'm going to cut it again like this. And you know guys, this battle gourd in this white thing is very soft. It's like foamy, and it's full of water. So now I'm going to peel it like this. This is very easy to peel guys. It's very soft. The skin is very soft, unlike squash. Although this battle gourd is also a family from squash, the skin is not so tough like squash. So just like that is the head part. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to remove the white, or the middle part where the seeds are. Maybe I'm going to, I don't know, I'm going to cut it in half again so that it will become easier to remove that middle part. So it looks like this. Just remove all the seeds, but it's okay, you can eat the middle part, but it's too watery for me. That's why I don't want to eat it. But most people in Asia eat this part, so don't waste your food guys. So just like that, and I'm going to remove all the middle part, or this seeds part. What I'm going to do now guys is cut this battle gourd into small cubes. It has lots of cutting work, but yeah, we love cooking. We love to prepare our food. good for people who have diabetes or high blood problems. So it looks like that. So guys, these are the ingredients of our recipe for today. Garlic, black pepper, onions, tomatoes, chopped young bottle gourd, and this is ground meat. So for those who eats beef, it is better to use beef. And but I don't eat beef, that's why I'm going to use pork. Or you can also use chicken, ground chicken breast, if you don't like fat meat. So that's our ingredients: garlic, black pepper, onions, tomatoes, and chopped young bottle gourd, and ground meat. And for the taste, we need 2 to 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. So guys, since I forgot to on the camera, so here are the sauteed garlic and onions already. And then after that, I put the ground pork after sauteing those onions and the garlic. So just like this, just saute it until it become, I don't know, until the oil comes out from the meat. So just like that, look at that, it's already starting to produce its own oil. It should not be lots of oil, because sometimes ground pork or ground meat doesn't have enough oil in it. So as you can see, I have already put the tomatoes, and yeah, I'm going to cook the tomatoes until it's blended with the meat like that. Look at that, it's already cooked. And going to put the young bottle gourd, and also put the salt or the fish sauce while you are sauteing the meat, so that it will get into meat. So just like this guys, I'm going to wait until it cooked. It is easily cooked. Maybe it is only 5 minutes or something like that, and it's finished. If you see the bottle gourd transparent already, it's not white anymore, then it is already cooked. It's up to you if you like to reduce more of the fluid or the sauce. It's up to you if you like it drier. You can eat it with rice, and I have here bread. Actually these are pandesal, and you can put it on the top of the bread, and it's up to you if you like to put ketchup on it, on top of it, just like this. And maybe you know what I'm going to do next. So I put ketchup on 3 of them, because just like that, my ketchup is all, and spread a little bit, just like that, just like that. Believe me, it will become delicious. And then this is a pizza herbs. It's dry herbs, and put just like that a little bit. And then you know what comes next. Mozzarella cheese. So guys, to make the story short, I'm going to put cheese on top of this bottle gourd what do you call this, filling on the top of a half bread, and bake this for at least, I don't know, until the mozzarella cheese melt. And this will become a very delicious snack, or I don't know. I don't know about you. You can eat it on dinner, on lunchtime. So, close the door. Open the door. Come in. I'm so glad to see you, my friend. And then I'm going to bake it in 10 minutes. Or until the cheese melted. Oh, look at that, guys. Looks yummy, isn't it? Looks so yummy. Look at that. Bottle gourd with ground pork and mozzarella cheese. And comes, of course, the taste test. I'm so shiny. So, I also have one here, and let's taste it. It's also yummy, guys. So guys, thank you very much for watching. That was my recipe of the bottle gourd squash or bottle gourd. I hope you like it, and yeah, maybe you can try also the pizza bottle gourd. So thank you very much again for watching. This is Lauren. God bless you all. Bye bye.